everybody. This is Rosie Soroka on this beautiful Friday. I should say Friday. So Fridays are really fun days of the week for me. So I like to, feel more funner on a Friday. So today I'm gonna give you guys a nice yummy recipe, a cheat recipe, which isn't really a cheat recipe because it's still very good for you. What you're gonna need is half a cup of Greek yogurt, about an 1/8 cup or maybe like a handful of any type of berries that you like. I'm gonna do blueberries today because I do like blueberries. About 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. And about maybe a teaspoon or 2 tablespoons of honey. All right, so let's go ahead and look at these products here. And because it is a cheat day, you can use about a little handful of any type of cookies you like especially animal cookies. Those are really, really, really good. You just crush them up, okay? Because that's gonna be the icing on the cake. I got my Greek yogurt, preferably full fat, but they only had non-fat at the store that I was at today. Honey, I like this brand of honey. Hemp seeds, blueberries, and my edible crackers, yay!
Okay, so here we go. We got half a cup of Greek yogurt, some animal crackers, your honey, blueberries, and some hemp seeds. You're gonna find your favorite cup. Okay, this is my favorite cup today. Hello, gorgeous. Yes, it goes out to everybody who watches me on YouTube. Here's my yogurt. Here's my honey. Here's my blueberries. I'm gonna touch up my cookies a little bit. And animal cookies. Got a little handful of hemp seeds. And voila. Voila. Let's try that again.
Next, I'm gonna stir. Okay, so that was it. Let's try it, see how it came out. Hopefully I get one of these animal crackers. So good, and so good for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys do it at home. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.